Okay, I'm not normally a big video voiceover guy, but in the way I recorded this video, I did a few things different, and I wanted to make sure you understood what they were. So I'm making a set of 5 Gatsby pens, and I'm using some wood that I brought back from a vacation in Roatan. On these initial steps, I'm not going to worry too much about explaining. They're pretty obvious, but suffice it to say, I'm making a set of 5 to give away as a gift, and I want all the pieces to match really well. That way all the team members who get them, it'll kind of represent, everybody being on the same team and unique. So even though I'm generally only showing the process for one piece, all these steps get repeated for all 5 of the pens. And at the end you'll see I make a 6th one that's a slightly different pen for the team leader. And it still matches real nice, and it's the same wood, but it's a little bit different. My favorite product for gluing tubes in is my Star Bond 5-minute epoxy, but I've been experimenting with this Type Bond thick, and it's been working pretty good. This is where I usually have the first opportunity for failure, but held great. I think I'll throw on some thin CA to reinforce those ends. Do all my wood turning on my Shopsmith, and now we're getting to the part where the project's going to get a little bit more unique and what I wanted to explain in my voiceover. I've just finished turning the first one of these, and I'm using some Speed Tool mesh net sanding discs to sand them. They do a great job on this. And what I wanted to show you all is that I'm going to do my CA process here in real time. There are a lot of arguments about how people do their CA process, how long it takes, how it finishes, how good it is, what they should be doing instead of CA, but wanted you guys to see how quick this is. I'm using the Star Bond Speed Series 2 to 5 second drying time, and other than changing the edit for the zoom, this is real time. So you're seeing me get 4 or 5 coats of this Speed Series on in about 38 seconds. I finished that with a spray of accelerator. Didn't need it in the steps. Then I let it dry about 30 seconds before I start my second part of the system. And here I'm adding 4 or 5 coats of Star Bond Flexible Medium. And I'm showing you applying it in real time, although I'm not quite as rushed here, and I did edit out maybe 5 to 10 seconds between each application. But still, all 5 or so of these coats went on in just about a minute, maybe 2 minutes, and then I'm done. And it's really important that I was able to get those all applied so quickly, because I'm making 6 pens, so I don't have all day to sit around and go 5-10 minutes in between each step. A lot of people don't like the CA finish because it can get too plasticky if it gets too thick, but as you can see, this system I'm doing is really thin, and I feel like it's a good combination of nice glossy finish and still feels pretty natural. I stopped here because it was a good example of where I used that same flexible medium. Thought I saw a crack forming in this one, so went ahead and reinforced it before I sanded it so that no chance that crack would split open. In case you're wondering, yes, I did speed up the video editing for the CA finish on the remainder of the project. For whatever reason, on this project I decided to turn all 5 at the same time, then finish all 5 at the same time, and now I'm coming back and sanding all 5 at the same time. Made it a little different for me, I guess. Nice and smooth. Final step, applying some auto polish, and then these are ready to clean up the ends and then assemble. I'm using my Penn State's pen press and disassembly jig to put these together, and let me tell you, when you're putting together 5 or 6 or more of a project, the ability to just do it repetitively is really nice. So assembling this one in real time, and then I'll speed through the last few. Taking a second to do just a quick final triple check of the barrel to make sure I'm happy with the final product before final assembly. As I mentioned earlier in the process, I'm making the 5 Gatsby pen starter kit, and this is for a team that has 5 members, so these are all going to be slightly different chromes and finishes with matching wood. And then for their team leader, I paired this up with the Majestic Squire pen kit in its own slightly different finishes again. So they're all really similar. They all use the same wood, and they all, they kind of speak to, hey, we're one team and this is our leader. I don't know what you guys think, but I think it worked out pretty cool. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. If you have any questions about my CA process, this pen kit, any of the tools or jigs I use, drop me a comment and let me know. Really appreciate hearing from everybody. Even those of you who like to leave some comments about what I could have done better, I still like to hear those. So if you haven't yet, subscribe, like the video, share it, and thanks for watching.